Hello everybody, welcome and welcome again to another vlog. My name is Madam from South Africa. If you are new to my channel, consider to click the subscribe button, like the video, share the video, and kindly comment. Guys, this is what we cook in mzansi, guys. I'm cooking gushe. Yeah. I'm cooking, guys. Gushe. This is how we cook in mzansi. So I was willing to eat it yesterday, but it was too late for me to cook it. Today, first thing first, I decided to cook gushe. So I can show you the process of my cooking today. I'll be cooking. Rita shanzumani ko ama fikanga. Utarihlantswa bota leriya. So sweka gushe, guys, and you use the back of the spoon. Use like this. I think every African country you do have this. Maybe you can be cooking it in a different way, but us, we are cooking it like this. So I use this to make it soft and green. I am in okay. So